Flight area 408, 7210 degrees, 13 knots, gusting 20, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 25 right, flight Bulgaria 408. Thank you.
Ryanair 200,
Takeoff.
tower, line up and wait, runway 25 right.
Line up and wait, 25 right, Ryanair 208. Sorry, good evening, slot 1 flight, left 25 left.
Just check. Low, continue approach 25 left, number 1.
Continue approach 25 left, lot 1 flight.
80 knots still set.
Checked.
V1.
Wind check, please.
Wind check 20
Rotate.
degrees, 13 knots, gusting 20.
Positive right.
Europe.
Ciao, good evening, Celsius 1532, holding short 25 right, Bravo 1.
FMS 1.
Below, number 2.
Checked.
Trust, thank you, for report
Check.
speed.
160, lot 1 kilo echo.
Roger to maintain until forecast.
Maintain until 4 miles, lot 1 kilo echo.
Ryanair 200, Mike, wind 200 degrees, 13 knots, gusting 20, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 25 right, Ryanair 200 Mike.
Okay, 408, contact departure 126630 flight.
126630, Bulgaria 408, goodbye.
1 kilo echo wind.
Departure, good evening, flight Bulgaria 408, passing 2005 Kelvin, climb 6000 via SID.
Flying back further away, departure, good evening, cloud flat level 70.
Climb flight level 70, flight Bulgaria 408.
Set flight level 70.
70 set.
Check. Flap 1.
Speed checked. Flat 1.
Set standard.
Standard set, passing 49 now.
Checked. Flap 0.
Speed checked, flap 0.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff, ICAS checked, after takeoff completed.
Flying back further away, contact 128, Assam 2, goodbye.